And welcome to Local Edition on Time Warner Cable. I'm Steve Swatt with the Sacramento Report. In the next few minutes, we're going to talk about new efforts at brain research. My guest this segment is Corbett, a member of the State Senate, the Senate Majority Leader from the East Bay in Northern California. Thank you very much for being with us.
Thank you, Steve.
Well, as you recall, last year sometime, President Obama announced what he called his Brain Research Initiative,
Yes.
which is to try to unlock the secrets to find the cures for Alzheimer's and autism and other neurological diseases. You believe there should be a California component to this?
Yes, absolutely. Last March, the President issued his grand challenge to study and survey the entire brain, which is a really exciting opportunity for those of us in California. We now have developed the type of nanotechnology that actually allows for this sort of research. And if we have the opportunity to survey the brain and understand its operations, we have the opportunity to develop cures for many terrible neurological disorders like autism and Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. It would be an amazing opportunity for California to be part of this initiative. And California already is very involved in this national idea because 4 of the 6 original preparers of the white paper for the president are actually neuroscientists from California. So we really have the talent and we have the research capabilities to be part of this.
Well, obviously, in California has the higher education capability to be a major component in all this.
Yes.
But does there need to be a separate California component, do you believe?
Well, I think it's very important for us to be competitive, to be part of the national program, that we have the opportunity to work together with our private and public institutions of higher learning and our research institutes. We definitely have the talent here, but if we have an opportunity to have people working together on this, it will be very important. And another component of this is not only is this important because of the discoveries that will allow us to be healthier in the future, we have the opportunity to develop amazing new technologies. If you think about the Genome Project, this is sort of similar to that. And we would have the opportunity to develop not only new nanotechnologies as part of the research, but the opportunity to understand how the brain stores information, how the brain actually reserves energy, which the brain is very good at, and many, many other things we don't even know yet. And once we discover those, we may have applications, technological applications in robotics and other high-tech innovation.
So your legislation would do what?
The legislation would allow for us to sort of have a coordinated effort, bringing together our University of California, for example, Stanford, private and public institutions, other research organizations, and allow them to look at perhaps being part of a state innovation institute. We are looking at Governor Davis's Institute for Innovation and Technology sort of as an example to follow. And if we have the opportunity to get the different entities working together, we would then try to determine whether we can have some state funding that would allow additional research to occur within California in partnership with what's going on at the national level.
We only have a few seconds left, but you mentioned state funding. Could that be a potential problem, given you're talking about sort of ongoing funding at a time when much of California sort of wants to retrench from that?
Yes, I mean, we must always be prudent in our financial decisions, but just as an example, the amount of opportunity for new technology transfer is very important, but also our health costs are increasing. It is expected that Alzheimer's will cost the state $30 billion each year by the year 2030. So this actually could be something that allows for a cost saving and investment.
All right. Well, Senator Corbett, thank you very much for talking about this fascinating issue. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
And thanks to our viewers for watching Local Edition on Time Warner Cable. Have a great day.